Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 15.6 inches Core i5 8GB RAM 512GB SSD. This is the box of the unit. Here you can see the specification. Core i5 13th generation 13420H processor, 8GB RAM 512GB SSD, 15.6 inches Full HD without OS DOS machine. Here you can see the specification. IdeaPad Slim 3 15iR-H8 model. So this is the specification of the model. Let's open the box, unbox the unit. I'm just in this video I'm just showing only brief look of this unit, not giving any review. These are the things inside the box. Comes with a power cable and power adapter 65 watts, 20 voltage, 3.25 ampere the power adapter. This one is, there is no type C, only round pin, the small pin you can see, and the user manual. And this is the unit. Let's see the unit. It's a grey color. The body is a plastic body. It's a budget laptop for basic user and college user also you can use. So this one is very smooth touchpad. You can see Core i5 13th generation sticker here. Here you can see IdeaPad Slim 3, the model number, 15 inches. Camera specification, user facing speaker. This is a keyboard, full size keyboard, comes with the numerical pad, number pad, and does not have any backlight. There is no backlight in this one. It's a normal keyboard. And touchpad, smooth design, Lenovo logo here in the top. This is a power button and indicator, and here you can see the speaker on top. And this one is the hinges, and this is the frame of the screen. It's a slim frame, very nice design, budget laptop. Camera you can see here, comes with a privacy shutter. Here you can see mic, built-in mic also is there. So slim frame. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is a without Windows laptop, DOS machine. It will go 180 degrees. This is a lightweight laptop. And have a look what are the connection. Power port, USB port, HDMI, one USB-C, and headphone jack combo 3.5 mm. And let's see other side. One USB port and a car reader and power indicator. These are the connectivity ports in this model. Let's see back side. This is a ventilation system. The full specification I'm going to mention on the description, and price also. Please check it out. What are the memory slot, what are the memory speed, and how many SSD slot. The full technical details I'm going to mention in the description. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So this is the full design of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim entry level budget laptop. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.